Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to calculate fees on InfinitePay.io transactions. Knowing how to calculate fees helps you understand the true cost of your transactions and manage your finances effectively. So let's get started. To begin with, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. After that, navigate to the fee calculator section. This is where you can view the fee structure and calculate your potential costs. Select the type of transaction you are planning to make, such as sending money, receiving payments, or making a purchase. Enter the transaction amount and any other required details, such as the recipient's country or payment method. This information helps calculate the applicable fees. Review the displayed fee calculation, which typically includes a breakdown of transaction fees, currency conversion fees, and any other applicable charges. Some platforms offer a fee calculator tool that allows you to input your transaction details and see a detailed estimate of the fees before completing the transaction. Making sure to review the total cost, including the fees, before finalizing the transaction to ensure it meets your budget. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to calculate fees on InfinitePay.io transactions. Understanding these fees helps you make informed decisions and manage your finances more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.